Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna change the SSD on my MacBook Air from 2017. First we gotta remove the back cover, gotta loosen some screws, and now you get access to the SSD. First you gotta unplug the battery. After then you can remove the old SSD. When you buy an NVMe SSD, you gotta buy an adapter for the SSD also, because Apple is using a proprietary connector for the SSD. It's pretty easy, no problem. You can just buy the adapter and yeah, it's straightforward. And we are now done with the setup. Now I'm gonna run one speed test where you can see the old one and the new one, and there's a big difference. It really helps out, and yeah, 128 gigabytes is not enough in 21. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next time. Bye bye.